Right, 3.7. So what are we doing here?
December, subject to those changes again.
Yep.
For the council meetings, and also we need to get the councillors for the zone 2.
Yeah. So change the back council meeting back to Tuesdays, Shani, and there. Okay, does anyone want to go to zone 2 at whai? He's got a house in the Coromandel.
Probably tied up the cycle challenge. Okay.
Cycle challenge, is that,
Yeah,
is that cycle challenge weekend?
It's the Friday off cycle
Yeah.
challenge. Yeah.
Okay, no takers for that, Tina. So we'll just leave number 2.
Week, haven't we? What have we
Just
got?
move number 1. Amended. Can I have a mover, please? Moved by Councillor Cousins, seconded by Councillor Jollins. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against? Carried. Okay, let's...
Just before you move into confidential, Your Worship,
Yes?
I'd just like to congratulate CEO for the new agenda items and the format. I think it's quite a bit more concise than it was before, and I think it's going to work really well. So I think it's a move in the right direction. Thank you.
Thanks very much.
Councillor, the next step will be to get it electronic for you,
Okay.
and so we're working on that as well.
Way.